Hey guys, welcome to HowTube. Today we have a 2012 Ford Mustang V6 and we will be replacing a bad oil pressure sensor. Now the owner of this car has been having problems with oil loss, a big engine oil leak, and the oil pressure fluctuates up and down, especially when she stops at a stoplight. So we will be taking this bad boy out. As you can see, the white clip right next to the header on the driver's side, in between the header and the alternator. All we need is a 21 millimeter either wrench or socket and a flathead screwdriver to do the job. Shouldn't be that difficult. So we are going to take our flathead screwdriver and we're going to press on the side of the pin and pull at the same time, and it should come right off. Next we take our 21 millimeter socket or wrench and you're going to turn counterclockwise until it spins freely. Then you can go ahead and finish it off with your hand. As you can see, this oil pressure sensor was already bad and had started to leak oil. Went to our local auto parts store and just grabbed a new one for about $30. It already came with the Teflon tape and there was no need for me to add anymore. And you want to hand tighten at least a few turns to ensure you don't strip the threads as you're wrenching it in. You want to turn clockwise with your wrench or socket. You're going to do at least 6 or 8 turns until you come to a stop where it doesn't want to turn anymore. Now all we got to do is set the clip back in place in the correct position, and under 15 minutes we saved ourselves over $250, which was what this client had been quoted at the dealership. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to leave us a like and a comment if this was helpful to you guys. Until next time.